All right, it's Friday, day 5 on the trail, and it rained again this morning. About 6 o'clock it started raining pretty good, but we were able to get packed up. It wasn't raining terribly hard. Got everything packed up, and it's actually a very comfortable morning. What's the temperature, Sherry?
57.
57 degrees. So that's pretty nice. And the trail's not all soggy, it's a little wet. But the streams are running really good, so when we need water, it'll be easy to fill up our water bottles to collect water to filter. But as you can see, there's really not a lot of views. You see mountains, but the clouds have settled in on them. So it's not as glorious of views, but it is a beautiful, quiet morning on the trail. Some of the people that were camped near us started out around 4:30, I believe. They apparently wanted to get ahead of the rain. I think we're going to try to get to Neil's Gap today and maybe get a hotel or a hostel or something, a bed, and try to do some laundry and resupply, get some more food. Things have been going really good, although we've had some really wet nights and mornings, but that's been good experience for us, kind of preparing us for the days ahead, because there'll be a lot of those days, and we're thankful for every day that we can hike. We realize that not everybody gets the opportunity to do this, and we also recognize that not everybody who starts finishes, and our objective is to finish and to finish well. So it's a good morning, and even though it's a little rainy, we anticipate that we'll make it to Neil's Gap in good time today. Our muscles don't hurt quite as bad. I should let Sherry speak for herself. Here, let me turn this around, and Sherry can tell you what her thoughts are.
Yes, today is a much better day. My legs feel good. My knees don't hurt as bad as they did yesterday. And yeah, I didn't even cry in the rain this morning tearing down. So that's a plus.
Yeah. So we're feeling pretty good compared to yesterday and maybe the day before. We were told when we started out by Bob, maybe a park ranger, a fellow that kind of gave us a little orientation about leave no trace, and he told us days 3 and 4 are going to be the worst, and then gradually things will start to get better. So this is day 5, and we think, yeah, it is a little bit better today. So we're going to keep on heading north, and we'll keep you updated. Hopefully we'll see something really cool, things like maybe a bear, and probably too early for a rattlesnake.
Probably just Blood Mountain.
Yeah, but yeah, when we get to Blood Mountain, that'll be, hopefully skies will clear off a little bit, because that's going to be a high point today. A lot of climbing and a lot of huffing and puffing. Okay, we're heading up Blood Mountain, and it's a pretty steep climb. I'm going to be breathing pretty hard, but it is beautiful. A lot of moss on these rocks, and sun shining. It was raining a little while ago pretty hard. In fact, it looked like there was some snow mixed in with it. But this is a pretty steep climb here. I think we're going to earn our keep on this one. I think they call it Blood Mountain because all the blood goes to your feet, maybe. I don't know.
Blood, sweat, and tears.
Yeah, blood, sweat, and tears. But it's brutal. But if the sun keeps persisting, we're going to get some views today before it's all said and done. It's amazing how 20 minutes ago it was pouring rain, and now the sun's shining, the sky is blue, and my goodness, look at you.
Oh,
So here we go. Keep on trekking, keep on going, and this isn't very far into the trip, but man, it's sure starting out to be pretty difficult. We were just talking about it, that it'll be a while before we're doing 16-mile days. It'll have to level out a little bit because the ups and downs are pretty severe right now, but it is beautiful. A lot of scenery. All right, well, we have come a long ways, and we are at Blood Mountain Shelter. And I think this is about 4,700 feet. It's pretty high. And I think we're gonna sit up here and eat our lunch. Try not to get my friend in this picture. The iconic Blood Mountain Shelter. We've seen pictures, we've watched videos, but this is the first that we've seen it in person. What do you think, Sherry?
we've dreamed about this for over a year, and
Yeah.
we're finally here. Now,
Yeah.
just wait a second.
Good job, good job. And we have some nice views today. The sun is doing its thing and looking good. Go inside here and see what it looks like. A lot of stone. Fireplace is all bricked up.
Yeah. No, nobody's over.
This is the honeymoon suite right here. But since we've been married for a while, we're not going to stay here. And you need a bear box, a bear canister if you stay up here from March 1st on, which we don't have. But we're going to sit here and eat some lunch. We are at the top of Blood Mountain, and it is an incredible view up here. It was well worth the effort to get here. I don't know how many of these mountains we're going to climb, but I think it feels like we're climbing all of them right now. It is an amazing view, and there is the most amazing part of the whole view right there. What an incredible day it's been. Started out with some pretty rough weather, but turned out to be pretty nice, and we're thankful for the sunshine right now.